Good evening, everyone. Mike Alpha Delta Zero Charlie Zulu here. Wanted to give a follow-up video in regards to my desktop mic modifications that I thought some of you folks might like to see. I realized yesterday that when the microphone was connected with the bias line, that it would be connected to the desktop mic, and it shouldn't be. So what I did is I added a little switch right there at the base of the radio, or the desktop mic. When you have the switch in the upright position, the desk mic is connected through to the microphone cable into the radio. And again, at this is my TS2000. When you flip the switch to the down position, it will disconnect the microphone from up top and remove the bias voltage that goes to the internal amplifier and redirect it to the bias going to the headset. They're connected by that cable. A better explanation of this is the schematic that I redrew for this. This is the essentially the back of the connector inside the MC60 that comes from the radio. So pin 1 and pin 5 are both going down through a double pole, double throw switch. When it's selected to desktop mic mode, those two cables are going right back up and just exactly where they were originally going. Ground is always connected for just to keep everything straight. But when the switch is flipped to the other position, the mic and bias lines are redirected to the same circuit that referenced yesterday to drive the electret microphone element in the headset. So I wanted to show a little bit of an example there. Now again, when the line is flipped into headset mode, if you will, it completely removes the bias and the microphone from having any negative effects on the desk mic. The added bias line never goes anywhere down to the original microphone connections. It's just essentially left open on that switch. So it's a little bit safer way of doing it, and the added benefit is that we can go, and I'm tied into a dummy load at the moment, but with the switch in the upright position, we can key on Vox here, and we're in USB mode, key on Vox. Watch this little green light here. We'll get up on the microphone, Alpha Delta Zero Charlie Zulu, and that was with the switch in the upright position. Flip it down into headset mode, and with the cable disconnected, we will not be able to do that. Alpha Delta Zero Charlie Zulu. However, if we reconnect the headset cable, sorry, I'm trying to do this all one-handed, and take our headset mic, Alpha Delta Zero Charlie Zulu, and again that is with the switch in the down position. So we can select which microphone we want to use, and the only thing we have to do is plug in the mic from your standard headset, computer headset, into this port. If you so choose, you can of course use the audio headphones jack output just as it normally would be. So thought you guys might like to see this. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Other than that, 73s, and I hope to see you on the air. This is AD0CZ.